Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you an easy way to attach a neckline facing. Let's get started. So I have here a top that I need to attach a neckline facing to. For this facing, I have measured out 5 inches width, and the length is the measurement of my front and back neckline. You can also use your measurement here as well. Mine is about 32 inches, which will leave some excess that I will trim off later. I'm going to fold this over inwards with 2.5 inches facing each other towards like so. I will then go ahead and iron this. I sprayed some starch onto this to make it very sturdy. To attach the facing, we will measure around the neckline to mark the point where the excess fabric will be trimmed off. Now we are going to start attaching the facing to the neckline by using some pins and making sure that the neckline is fully inserted inside the facing. Here I am attaching the facing to the neckline, making sure to insert it so that none of it is slipping out. So I am just attaching that using a pin. Then I will trim off the excess like I mentioned and just make sure that it is well fitted and fold it over and then place it on the other neckline piece. And then we are going to take this to the sewing machine and just sew it round, making sure that the neckline is fully inserted into the facing. So as we sew along, we're going to just keep holding that down. Just to make sure that it is not slipping off. Just making sure that we are holding that neckline firmly on the facing to make sure that none of it is coming off. So we're just going to sew that round. Now we are done with the sewing. We are just going to take this over to the ironing board and give it a quick press. As you can see, it looks a bit rumpled, and we're just going to take this over to the ironing board just to give it a really good press and make it lay nice and flat. So as you can see here, we've given this a press and it looks really good, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos if you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves and see you later.